How's it going, guys? So, as you see from the title, we have some important updates and some interesting things to talk about the base airdrop. So, with that said, not gonna waste your time. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and all of that whenever you wish. And we jump straight into the laptop. And as we see here, the whales pre-market now is listing base. This means that the base token it is coming backed by Coinbase themselves. So, what do we need to know about it? Well, we're gonna jump straight into it as soon as it loads. But before that, I wanna just let you know if you wish to go and utilize Polymarket and participate in the Polymarket airdrop as well, then you need to create volume. And how to do it without losing much money, I'll show you right now. If you wish, make sure to go and sign up through the link down below. It is my referral links. I really appreciate it if you do wish to help me. Thanks a lot. And if you're ready on Polymarket, then keep on trading as you're doing. But Polymarket is going to be a volume-based airdrop and a profit and loss-based airdrop. Absolutely yes. So how do we trade volume without risking all our money? Very simple. For example, we go to the crude oil right here, which you're able to find anywhere, and we go and look for something that is highly unlikable to happen. So for example, whether it's going to be above $200 or below $200, as we see right here, we go and look for something that is at 99 cents, just like this one. And if you cannot access Polymarket because of the region that you're in, wherever you are located, the one thing that you can do is simply to go and use an Express VPN in my case, or any other VPN, and you're good to go. As we see here, I am connected and I'm able to go and do it. So link down below. Make sure to go and sign up. To create volume, you simply go and look at a 99.9 cents buy or sell option, and you simply go and buy it. Now, this one, as we see here, I spent $372. However, there will be transaction costs, of course, just like any other platform, just like you're simply swapping token over on MetaMask, there's going to be transaction costs. So once you've done this one, you simply go and sell what you just bought. And as we see here, I will receive 371, which means that I am basically losing 40 cents a share, or 40 cents every transaction that I'm doing, which is absolutely great. Because now that I've did this one, I can simply go and repeat it. And for example, 371.6, I buy, and this is creating me volume, as you see here. And then once I bought it, I go and sell it, 371. So we are losing a little bit of money in terms of transaction fees. Absolutely, yes. And it does absolutely make sense. But we are creating a lot of volume. And this is how to go and create volume in a very easy, efficient, low cost way, as we see here, for you to go and do it, which I really recommend it. So make sure to go and do it. Good to go. Repeat it, rinse and repeat it, depending on how many gas fees transaction you wanna go, for example, and lose, which it is 40 cent that you lost, 60 cent, etc. And yeah, it is literally that easy. So link will be down below. Make sure to go and utilize it. I know it's going to be one of the biggest airdrop out there right now, so make sure to go and take advantage of it. But next up, back to base. Now, base is trading on whales market cap, and people are kind of like already selling with collaterals. But what do we know about the airdrop? Well, simply go over here. It does look like the TGE is happening in 2026, and we could have a lot of speculation depending on what it's gonna be. Now, we do not know any criteria for the base airdrop. What we do know is that usually when it comes over here to the whales market cap, it is going to happen. And we know Base has already said that the token is gonna happen. Uh, as we see here, Base is beginning to explore a network token. This was written, I believe, in 2025 still, so you still have a lot of time. But I do think that now it is coming and it's gonna be big. So what you can do now is simply go and do transaction on Base. Go and do swappings, for example, on any swapping platform that we use, whether it is Jumper, whether it is this one, whether it is that one. Make sure to go and do it, do transaction, and keep your wallet active. This is the best thing that you can do for yourself right now. And of course, make sure to go and trade over on Polymarket as well, even if it is not on Base. This is for a separate airdrop. For everybody that made it until the end, if you guys want, make sure to come and trade with me over on Tubit. Now, Tubit is a safe exchange, and as we see here, we do have a 100% back on your deposit. So if you basically deposit $100, you get $100 back. Super simple. This is your possibility to go and grab free money, go and do the airdrops, and you are good to go. But with that said, thank you for watching, guys, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.